Creighton Nursing trying out a new program to help make it easier for parents to stay on top of their child's health. Around 150 students at Holy Cross received health screenings today. The nursing students collected the information to make a digital report card of the children's health. That data includes results of hearing and vision tests. Kids who may need a follow-up were given information for their caregivers on low-cost resources. It wasn't only the Holy Cross students who benefited from this.
This experience for the nursing students really helps them to understand how to work with kids of different developmental stages. It helps them understand how vision and hearing can impact lifelong learning. And it's really beneficial for the other students that we've worked with. The students who are in Spanish translation courses are able to medically translate, and that will help them in their future roles as potential Spanish translators.
The report card data system was created by Creighton computer science students.